The Deep Blue product range starts with our compact Deep Blue 50i. This motor only has a weight of 85 kilograms, and this is due to the combination of a high efficient electric motor with a gearbox reduction. So we have two versions available, one for high-speed planing boats with 1,800 RPM and one for displacement boats with 1,200 RPM. Next to this motor, we have our 50 kW outboard, the 50R. R stands for remote, so this is always controlled with a remote throttle of Torqeedo. Here we see the orange propeller, which is usually used for high-speed applications with up to 50 kilometers per hour, but you also could fit any other propeller. So this motor and engine with this high torque is also used for displacement vessels, workboats, maneuvering of material and goods. Both motors can also be reduced in the power for certain OEM applications. So if there's a restricted lake or we want to reduce the power to 25 kilowatt, this is always possible. And in our application engineering, we figure out with the boat builder together what's the best parameter setting if we want to have a reduced power. Usually both engines deliver 50 kilowatt continuous power and 55 kilowatts of peak power. The top of our power class is the Deep Blue 100i. And talking about the Deep Blue 100i, this is basically two motors for two different applications. Both motors are without a gearbox, so that's why the different RPM for different applications is leading to two different motor concepts. So we have one motor 2,500 RPM for fast planing boats, and one motor in the bottom of 900 RPM shaft RPM. And this means more than 1,000 Newton meters of torque, and this is made for commercial applications. But also the 2,500 RPM can be used in commercial applications with our other gearboxes or for planing applications with larger battery banks. And we also use this 100 kilowatt engine together with ZF with a coupling on the 100 kW sail drive application with ZF. Talking about sail drive, on the right-hand side, we have the Deep Blue 25 sail drive. So 25 kilowatt, and you see here that this is how Torqeedo is working. Usually the drive unit consists of an electric motor, an inverter, and all the components that we need to cool the system. And this is not only for the sail drive, but also for all inboard units. Torqeedo provides high quality, and that means that we also test on system level. So we do shaker test, electromagnetic field test, and also saltwater spray test, all on system level and not only on component level. The integration of the ZF sail drive basically is a 50 kilowatt motor of Torqeedo with inverter, and then combined with the knowledge and quality of ZF sail drives. Commercial use cases are getting more and more important for Torqeedo and for inland water transport. The both direct drive motors are perfectly suitable for all commercial applications. And the same that we did with ZF, the integration of the 50 kW for a sail drive, the same we did with Poseidon, a rudder propeller supplier from the Netherlands. And we developed the electric rudder drive. And this rudder propeller enables boats to maneuver very flexible in inland city waterways. We are also very happy that we have a DNV certification for our battery. So now Torqeedo can provide a system out of one hand for commercial use cases. All vessels certified for passenger transport will be possible with the new battery. We have a reliable system management and reliable drive units. And this is all from one supplier, so also the after sales and service concept will be very good for our OEM partners and the end customers.